Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to create a project, how you can connect Github to Liquify Pro. You will learn how to make your first conversion, and also how to connect everything with Shopify. This lesson is pretty complex. Most of the steps you only have to do once. It will get a lot easier once you have completed this lesson. Let's start with creating a folder. Now we also want to create a project. This step is done. Now we need to connect GitHub. First we need to create a repo. Please check the README checkbox. You must authorize the Liquify Pro app. You can either authorize it for all repos or only for selected ones. Keep in mind that when you choose selected, then you later need to manually update the authorization when you add new repos. In Liquify Pro, we can now choose the selected repo and also the branches. The second step is done. We are now ready to do our first conversion. To do this, go into Webflow and press Shift-E to export. Here is another quick tip. Sometimes Webflow has an issue with the download button. This can be solved when you switch to assets before the download is ready. Download the zip file. We can go back to the converter and upload the file. It takes between 30 seconds to 1 minute until it's ready. Now press pull request. You can see all the files that were created in the repo. You can merge the pull request and delete the branch. The conversion is done. In the final step, we need to connect everything with Shopify. To do this, log in into your Shopify account and go to the theme section. Click on Add Theme and then connect from GitHub. If you don't have your GitHub account connected already, then you can click on Add Account. Then please select the repo that you want to connect. I have done that already, so I am clicking on my account. Now I am choosing the repo and also the branch. The theme now gets added. This step you only need to do once. Congrats, this was by far the hardest step. If you have any problems in the process, then feel free to contact us via Discord. The link is in the description. Click here to watch the next video.